to ensure a hassle-free experience when you intend to transfer data to Pixel. This video will cover 6 popular ways to help you out. Whether you prefer wireless methods, cloud-based solutions, or traditional USB transfers, we've got you covered with practical tips and step-by-step guides. Option 1. Transfer data to new Pixel using File Explorer or Finder Media. Connect both Pixel devices to your computer via USB. Choose File Transfer when prompted. Open File Explorer Windows or Finder Mac, then locate and transfer files between the Pixels. Option 2. Transfer data to Pixel from Pixel via Transfer for Mobile Proficient. Mobican Transfer for Mobile Win and Mac is the ideal solution for transferring various types of content like contacts, text messages, and apps that cannot be transferred. Using File Explorer or Finder. How to transfer data to new Pixel phone with Mobican Transfer for Mobile. Step 1. Start by downloading and opening the transfer software. Step 2. Establish a connection between two phones and your computer. Step 3. Choose data and begin the copying procedure. Option 3. Transfer data to new Google Pixel using Google Drive. Stable internet on both phones. On sending device, go to Settings, Backup and Restore for Google Drive. Turn on Target Pixel. Sign in with the same Google account. Choose Restore from Backup. Select Recent Backup. Option 4. Transfer data from old phone Android or Pixel to Pixel via Data Transfer Tool. Begin setting up your new Pixel by tapping Start and connecting to a network. When you reach the Copy Apps and Data screen, tap Next and follow the prompts to use your old device. Connect your Pixels using the cable and adapter. On your old Android device, tap Trust. Your new Pixel will display a list of data. Pick what you want to transfer. Tap Copy to transfer all your chosen items. Wait for the process to complete and tap Done when finished. Option 5. Transfer data from Pixel to Pixel via Bluetooth. Activate Bluetooth on both devices. Access Bluetooth settings. Select Connect a new device. If the other Pixel's Bluetooth is on, it should appear. Find the file, tap Share, choose Bluetooth, and send. Option 6. Transfer data to new Pixel phone over email. Unlock your sending device. Open Gmail. Compose a new email. Tap Attach File. Navigate to your document or media. Attach it. Send the email to yourself. On Destination Pixel, open the email. Tap the download icon next to the file to save it.